Our solar system. Today we will see information about our solar system. Meet the planets. These are 8 planets in our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Sun. The word solar comes from the Latin word solis, which means sun. The sun is a huge star present at the center of the solar system, and all 8 planets revolve around the sun. The sun gives us heat and light. It takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds for sunlight to reach from the sun to the earth's surface. Let's meet our first planet, Mercury. Mercury is the first planet from the sun. It is smallest planet in the solar system. In English, it is named after the ancient Roman god Mercurius. It is the second hottest planet in the solar system. Even though Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun, it isn't as hot as Venus. It has been visited by 2 spacecraft, Mariner 10 and Messenger. Let's meet our second planet, Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to the Sun. Name for Roman goddess of love. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. Even though Mercury is the planet closest to the Sun, it isn't as hot as Venus. Venus is the planet in our solar system that rotates clockwise. This makes the planet upside down. A year on Venus is shorter than a year on Earth. This means that on Venus, the sun rises in the west and sets in the east, the opposite to what we experience on Earth. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, with an average temperature of around 450 degrees Celsius. Let's meet our third planet, Earth. Planet number 3 is our very own home. It means Earth is the third closest planet to the Sun. It is the only planet with liquid. It is the only planet we have found that contains life. 70% of its surface is water. Earth may look round, but it's actually not perfectly round. Earth rotates at around 1000 miles an hour. Senator Nelson invented Earth Day. We are celebrating Earth Day on 22nd April every year. Let's meet our fourth planet, Mars. Mars, the fourth planet, also known as red planet. Mars is red because its surface contains iron. It has two moons, Deimos and Phobos. It is dusty and cold with a thin atmosphere. Mars is in between Earth and Jupiter. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are not just neighbors by the nearest star, but also compact balls of rocks and metals. Hence, they are called rocky planets. Let's meet our fifth planet, Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet away from the Sun. It is the biggest planet in our solar system. It is also called as giant planet. It has 80 moons. A day on Jupiter is super fast. One day on Jupiter goes by in just 10 hours. The four largest moons of Jupiter are Io, Callistio, Ganymede, and Europa. They were the first objects in the solar system discovered with a telescope. Galileo discovered them, hence, they are now called the Galilean satellites. Let's meet our sixth planet, Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It has four sets of rings that are wispy. You can stand on Saturn. It is a gas giant. This means, unlike Earth, it doesn't have a solid surface. In fact, its surface is mainly made of helium, the same gas you find in birthday balloons. Hey, is it getting very cold? Ah, yes, because we are now near the coldest planet out here. Let's meet our seventh planet, Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Uranus is the only planet in our solar system named after a Greek mythological figure. It is an ice giant. It's made up of dense icy materials, mainly water, methane, and ammonia. Uranus has 27 known moons, and they are named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. These names include Titania from Midsummer Night's Dream, Prospero from The Tempest, and Cordelia from King Lear. We have come so far. Are we approaching another star? Yes, final planet. Let's meet our eighth planet, Neptune. Here is planet Neptune, and it has 14 moons. It is the smallest gas giant and farthest from the Sun. The planet is named after the Roman god of the sea, as suggested by French mathematician Leverrier, who is one of the people credited with discovering Neptune. Neptune is blue because of methane. Let's do revision of our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have learned something valuable today.